Welcome. If you've ever noticed motion heavy effects on Instagram that can be a bit overwhelming, there's a simple built-in setting that can calm things down. Today, I'm showing you how to turn on reduce motion on Instagram, updated for the latest app layout. First, open the Instagram app. It's the place you post photos, reels, and stories, but it also has accessibility options that can make your scrolling experience smoother. From here, head to your profile so you're working from your own account. Tap the three horizontal line menu in the top right corner. This opens a compact menu with a few quick options. Scrolling through, you'll find a section dedicated to accessibility. It's designed to give you choices that tailor Instagram to how you prefer to see and interact with content. Scroll down until you spot accessibility. This section gathers features that adjust visuals and motion for easier viewing. Tap accessibility to reveal the available toggles. You're looking for reduce motion, a setting that minimizes animations, transitions, and other moving effects. When you tap it, you'll see the option to toggle it on. Toggle on reduce motion. With this switch activated, Instagram will limit the amount of animated transitions across the app. This can help reduce dizziness for those sensitive to motion, cut down on distractions, and create a calmer browsing environment. You'll notice fewer parallax effects, fewer autoplaying motions, and smoother overall navigation. If you ever want to revert, simply return to the same path and switch reduce motion off. It's a quick change that you can tailor to your mood or situation, whether you're on a long scroll session or just checking a few stories. One handy tip: after turning on reduce motion, navigate through the app and pay attention to how animations feel in feeds, stories, and reels. If something still feels a bit heavy, you can adjust brightness or font size in the same accessibility area to further customize your experience.